Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome to another edition of Study Crypto. Today, we are going to go over a token that has been doing extraordinarily well recently, Blur. But first, before we get into it, do us a favor, hit that like button as well as that subscribe button and ding the notification bell. That helps the Google algorithm get these videos to you ASAP. And now let's look at Blur. This is a token that's actually traded on Coinbase and quite a few other places. If you're in the US, though, Coinbase is the easiest place to get this token. Look at the action that Blur has taken in the last few days. Well, obviously, it's broken the downtrend. Okay, so let's draw that out. We have a downtrend that's obvious from here to here. I mean, I guess you could draw it from here to here. That's one way to look at it, or from here to here. Either way, however you want to draw the downtrend, it's broken through the downtrend. If we want to just draw it like this, that's one way to do it. That's totally cool. That's one way to draw the downtrend. If we wanted to take it from something more reasonable, which was this more local high, we could draw the downtrend like this. So that's another way to draw the downtrend. Any way you want to look at it, it's broken through the downtrend and it's doing extraordinarily well. How far is it up? Well, let's take a look. From October 18th up until where it is about now, we're at a 250% return. Not too bad. It had went as high as 300% return just yesterday. So 300% return in about 30 days. That isn't bad. So mind you, how could you have identified this token? Well, as I said here, this particular break of the trend would have been a nice indication that, oh, wow, we're breaking through the trend. And then what do we have here? We have the 8 and 21 day moving averages. The green crosses above the purple. That's a bullish sign. When the purple is below the green is below the purple, that's very bearish. Once we cross above with two candles, just for confirmation, that is a bullish sign. So we have that around, what's that, Friday the 20th, October 20th on Friday. That happened around that period in time. If we want to look at some other indicators, let's turn on our simple moving average. And the 200-day moving average is right here, and it broke above the 200-day moving average. That was a very bullish sign. Ultimately, the 50-day moving average is what I'm going with support for a lot of tokens. It makes a lot of sense, and it's fairly accurate. So when we're below the 50-day, no go, yellow line. The yellow line, 50-day, when we're below, no go. But when we break above the 50-day, that is a bullish sign. So if you want to combine the breaking above the 50-day moving average here, right? Breaking above the 50-day moving average along with the cross on the 821 EMA, that is a very bullish sign right here at this point in time. I didn't get into this particular token. I just did. There's too many things I'm looking at, but and I'm already in my positions I want going into the bull market, so I'm not in it. But just wanted to let you guys know what's out there. So if you would have gotten in at that point in time, which again the chart is showing it's a go, you would be up 230 something percent right now. Not too bad. If you're in it right now and you got in at that point, now is not a bad time to take some profits. Take some profits. Don't have to sell it all off. Sell 50%, 25% of your position. Whatever it is, get some profits out. You're up 200%. Don't be stupid. Where can this thing go? Well, to figure that out, let's take a look at the Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci's show, what do we do? So we came right up, basically up to the 786, your big take profit area. We already came up to that and kissed it, and it dropped back down below the 78, below that point. 786 is basically at 69 cents for this token, and it dropped down. Right now, if we look at the RSI, we were overbought. We're still a little overbought, but it's trending down, which isn't too bad. I would say this made this huge move. There might be a little more in it. We do have an uptrend overall. So if we look here, this is an uptrend. Hold on, let me draw this uptrend out. We have an uptrend, if not a parabola going on. So boom, we have this going on. That's the uptrend. Then we have this going on. This is the uptrend. So this thing might have some more juice in it, but there's definitely going to be a pullback because it went really fast, really far in a really short amount of time. What is this? From here to here, these two big day moves, that's 100% in 4 days. 100% doubled your money in less than a week if you'd have got in right then and there, which there are some obvious indicators of a reason to get into this particular token. So that's my analysis for Blur. Not too shabby, doing pretty good. Again, it might have some pullback. If we drew this line, the Fibonacci's from this particular peak. If we take it all the way to the top here, we do have this 50 fib up here, which is much higher, which is in alignment with a lot of resistance. So I definitely see a pullback at 76 cents. It's going to hit this 76 cents likely. It'll, if it gets there sooner rather than later, it'll tap the 76 cents and it'll have a drawdown, and we'll see where it goes from there. But that is what's going on with Blur. So give us a comment. Are you in Blur? Do you like Blur? Do you not like Blur? Is it a go for you? I wouldn't get in right now. This train has already left the station. So it's not my cup of tea to jump into late trains. But this is what's going on with Blur. There's a lot of tokens out there like this that had these movements back when I told you guys we're at the bottom. We're basically at the bottom for this bull market. There's a lot of stuff you can get into, and this is pretty cool. It's on Coinbase, so go take a look at it. That's it for this video. Please do us a favor, give us a like, hit that like, smash that like, click that like button, as well as subscribe if you enjoy this content. Until next time, guys, thanks so much, and see you on the charts.